Welcome to my channel P Concepts CHM. This is the third part of the series of bridge course for TYBSc solid state physics. It consists of 4 modules. In this video, we will see the third module, that is classification of solids on the basis of energy bands. Formation of bands. If we consider an isolated atom, the energy levels of the electrons are discrete as shown in this figure. Here in an isolated atom, the electrons, they are not interacting with each other, they are showing their respective energy levels, and these are called as discrete energy levels. But suppose the electrons, they interact, so suppose n number of electrons interact with each other, then the discrete energy levels of the electrons in the solid, they split up. Like here the two electrons, they are interacting and it gives rise to these energy levels. If 4 electrons are interacting, again the energy levels split up, and we can see that these energy levels, they form a band. Important energy bands in the solids. So valence band and the conduction band, these are the important energy bands, and they are separated by this band gap. Valence band. The energy band which is formed by grouping the range of energy levels of the free electrons or the valence electrons is called as valence band. The valence band is present below the conduction band. The electrons in the valence band have lower energy than the electrons in the conduction band. The electrons present in the valence band are loosely bound to the nucleus of atom. Conduction band. So all the free electrons, they are found in this conduction band. So the energy band which is formed by grouping the range of energy levels of the free electrons is called as conduction band. Generally, the conduction band is empty. But when we apply an external energy, the electrons in the valence band, they will get sufficient energy and they will jump into the conduction band. And when they jump into the conduction band, they become free electrons. So the electrons in the conduction band have higher energy than the electrons in the valence band. The conduction band electrons are not bound to the nucleus of the atom. Forbidden gap. The energy gap which is present between the valence band and the conduction band, separating these two energy bands, is called as forbidden band or forbidden gap. Classification of solids on the basis of energy band gap. The forbidden gap plays a major role for determining the electrical conductivity of the material. Based on the forbidden gap, the materials can be classified into 3 types. So that is shown in this diagram. For an insulator, we can see that it has a very large band gap. In case of a semiconductor, the band gap energy decreases. And in case of a metal, the band gap energy is 0. Both the conduction band and the valence band, they overlap with each other. These are some e-resources which you can refer. This question you can attempt. Thank you for watching this video.